Hi beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I got this bust down frontal, or is it? I got you. I know you're like, is it a frontal? No girl, it's an 8x5 closure. It's from Hermosa hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and to me this unit. Is it not giving frontal? Like right before bust down middle part season, y'all don't want to get your hands on one of these. So if you want to see my thoughts on the unit, and I installed it right here with you guys, it's not gonna hop over to voiceover. So if you want to see me install it right live with you, stay tuned, keep on watching because it's bust down middle part season. Okay, enough games. Let's get into the tutorial.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Pocket full of white man named Benjamin, looking for a hot boy with some fine friends, and your baby daddy with a bitch. I'm from Texas. When you see this one, you gotta be from Texas. Hi y'all, it's me. Let's get into it. I mean, just really quick because I really want to make this like a really easy type throw on ordeal. So today's unit is coming from Hermosa hair, and of course you can expect when you get your unit to get a wig cap, a little elastic band, and they coming crazy. They got 2 pairs of lashes. Hermosa wants me to let you guys know that you're getting super fast shipping on these units. If you order, you should get it in 3 days time. That's amazing. Here is today's unit. It's an 8x5 pre-bleached closure, and I went ahead and got it out of the box. This is exactly how it comes out of the box. It is a straight 26-inch unit, and they want me to install out the box, so let's install out the box. I'm gonna be real, y'all. I was kind of thinking I wanted to do a side part with this. I'm kind of tired. I'm over my braid in the back looking like alfalfa. I was kind of tired of the middle parts. I'm kind of wanting to be a side part girly. But let's throw it on and see what it looks like when I just toss this bad boy. When it does come with an elastic band, so I'm just tightening that on it. It's the inside cap construction. It surprisingly doesn't have any clips, but I don't mind because it's supposed to be an easy glueless thing. So let's see if it's really secure. Yep. It's wig tight. See, that's my thing about the pre-bleach units. It's like I see where they was coming from. Like I do understand. Wow, this is really like a lot of coverage. Actually, this is like practically ear to ear, but it's just not. I was saying that they don't really be bleached for real. Like I'm for sure seeing these knots, but then I see like it's the illusion of bleach. Like I can tell they like attempted bleaching the knots, you know? Let me get in y'all's groove. You see what I mean? It's like I see that they kind of tried, but also like maybe they didn't succeed. Just give this wig a little pluck because like I keep telling y'all, I'm really not an out the box girly. I see where they're coming from and I see why they want to make this a thing. I'm just not an out the box girly. So let's get on here. Let's zoom on in. Some of my nails are like my nails. They red and they real grown woman and I love them. Let's zoom on in and just get a little bit of plucking action. But I'm thinking I am going to end up going ahead and shifting this unit over to the side. And I might just like cut where the lace is, where it connects right here, because it just seems really perfect for like, but then I also see why they made it like a middle part, you know? Yeah, let's go ahead and now that we're all zoomed in, I just want to give you guys an updated plucking tutorial slightly. There's just usually a line right in front, that first line. First plan of action is to just go in and get that line going. There's nothing cute about this line. So just being kind of intentional. You don't want to over pluck because you can pluck more, but you can't pluck less. See, even then, like this just looks less like a line around there. You want to not stay in the same spot too long. Moving from place to place kind of sporadically. And then once that's looking less like a line, I'll go ahead and take my comb and just go in right behind where I was already plucking. Even the difference from this side to this side, already it just kind of looks a little bit more natural. This lace came pre-cut. Like, did you guys notice that? I forgot to mention. When it comes to this area in the front right here, your natural hairline isn't like that sparse. So you want to still give a full appearance. So I'm mostly focusing on the side right here. And then once I get that section, I'll go behind that section after I give it a little check and pluck some more. I think this will probably be my last little section of plucking. I actually want to make sure this has like a natural look if it's going to be fully glueless. This is the side that I plucked. It just gives a bit of a more natural vibe. And then here's even comparison to my natural hair. Compared to my pluck job, it has a very similar cadence. And see here, it's just a little bit more defined. So thankfully this lace already cut, so after I pluck this, I'll be ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this other side and match this side, and I'll be back when I'm ready to fix up my parting area. So here's the more natural look of it now. Very much like my hairline. So I'm very proud of it. I see how they said it was pre-bleached knots, but would I bleach these knots again? But do I see how they said they were bleached? But would I bleach these knots again? Yes, but that's me. But like I said, out the box. So as you can see, this lace has it's lace cut in a zigzag motion, which is really nice, but it's like a lot of lace. As you can see, it's this much lace before the hairline starts. And that's really give the most natural effect. So I'm gonna just get rid of all this, like this lace is curling up and everything. But I'm gonna just get rid of some of this excess lace in a zigzag motion. My scissors. Because the more lace you have, the more clockable you can be. So while I appreciate the gesture, it's just a little less clockable when it's a little less lace. I got that little rolled section there. And is this not giving frontal? To me, it's giving frontal. I don't know. I could, nah, it's giving frontal. I don't know, y'all. And wow. Okay. I really wanted a side part, which I could do. That sounds like it would be as cunt. Like the lace. Wow, it's kind of. Nah, because then I can't do a little tuck behind the ear, and I'm good for a tuck behind the ear. I could, y'all. Nah, it's giving middle part, y'all. Let's go ahead and zoom on out so we can put these final touches on and style this unit and wrap this on up because I feel like we'll be done really soon. One time for the hair, it's 26 inches. I believe it's 180 density and it's full to the ends. Like usually I gotta cut the ends, but I really don't even have to. That's lovely. Now, as for this middle part, surefire way to get your middle part in. Get stuff in the eye, nose. And I gotta do this like at least 4 times to get it fully right. So on that 4th time, it's really correct. But I feel like it's my 3rd time and maybe I got it a little early. Now there is some flyaways that we're gonna tame. But before we do that, I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and just really define this part. This just kind of helps everything just look a lot more seamless. So I'm just going down the length. Let's go ahead and define this part. I'm using my edge stick. Just make sure the flyaways is down. Hot comb again. A little face framing action here. This is like the perfect wig for a beginner. Somebody who just wants to be able to throw on a wig and throw it right on off at the end of the day. Perfect. But also like not look like they have on a throw on ass wig. I'm gonna get the rest of the flyaways as there's a little bit more going on. But for now, let's go ahead and touch up this flat iron. I'm gonna use my Faithless titanium plates flat iron. I have it down below as always. And let's just give it a quick pass because this hair is already straight. Just needs a little refresh. Just add some more body to it. So I'm just gonna bump the ends. And look how shiny that hair. I didn't put anything on this hair. This hair probably has like that coating they be putting on hair before they ship it out. But the quality of the hair seems really good. Despite the, because that happens on all the wigs. I don't know if y'all know that. But all the wigs before they ship them out, they put a little coating on it. I can just tell when it's the coating and I can tell when the hair is good. And I'm leaning towards the hair is good and the coating helps a lot. Last piece. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this side off camera and then we'll finish up the flattening of the wig and then defining this closure and then we'll be all wrapped up. Like this was very easy. Okay, let me do this side really quick. I'll be back. Okay, of course, we're going a little bit of concealer down the part. I'm just using the leftovers from my makeup. And that's a little bright. That's fine, it's kind of cunt, I don't know. Okay, boom. A little bit of hairspray. And then I'm gonna do the good old Chris Appleton, one of these. He was on something with this. I'm gonna put on a lighter top so you guys can see the hair fully and put on a lip. And I'll be right back with the final thoughts, final touch-ups. And it's really bust down middle part season. It's also gonna be bust down side part season. I'm gonna have to do that soon. But right now, it's bust down middle part season. Also, I know I said I wasn't gonna cut the ends, but it just wouldn't be like me if I didn't. Because as you can see, like as full as they are to tip, like it just needs some evening. So really quickly, I'm just gonna boom. And not that much. Like usually I have to cut a lot more, and as you can see, even that was really full. Okay, let me put on a lighter shirt and come back. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I put on a lighter shirt so you guys could see the hair in its fullness. Throw some earrings, a little lip, and it's just not giving frontal. Exactly, it is. It is, right? It is, and like, that's kind of crazy. Because literally, right now, oh. Boom, like that's cunt. I don't know, how is it not cunt? How can you not say cunt? So yeah, this is like the perfect beginner wig actually. It took very little plucking. I wouldn't recommend you not pluck it, but if you don't want to, if you don't want to bleach the knots, you don't gotta do that because I didn't. I did pluck a little bit, but like, it's given. I don't know. Like, I'm trying to show you guys the parting space. If this hair wasn't straight, I would have curled it, but it would have just been a waste of my time. I'm just curling this hair for no good reason, for it not to stay. But I want to make sure you guys see like how much space. It's 8 inches. It's from here to here. That's a lot of space. Yeah, I'm a fan. Shout out Hermosa Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. This is literally the perfect beginner wig. Like, I wish a wig like this was available when I started. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a like if you did. It really helps me out. If you guys don't ever want to leave a comment, I get that. Commenting on videos when I'm gonna say is like, I get it. It's a lot. But if you left me a like, that would mean the world to me. For real. Leave me a like. If you're not subscribed, that's kind of crazy. You should subscribe before you head on out of here. It's like the right thing to do after you just watch this video. You liked it. You like me. Stick around. If you do stick around, I'll see you in the next one. Hope you do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.